Now, you don't need to be a philosopher or theologian or even an occultist to recognize the authentic existence of a macrocosmos and a microcosmos. We have a perfectly acceptable and rational representation of that here on the realm of physicality in the form of solar systems versus quantum mechanics. So look at all these stars out there in the universe. A lot of them, a great deal of them, have planets orbiting them, just like our solar system does here. We call them exoplanets. And then at the realm of quantum mechanics, you have atoms with subatomic particles orbiting them with their various adjacent polarities. And this is sort of a standard rule. But as you've probably noticed, the laws of physics as we understand it at the macrocosmic level, the one that we're more familiar with, are different than the strange laws that the subatomic quantum level seems to produce. In fact, we don't fully understand, science doesn't fully understand the quantum level because it seems to defy various laws of physics as we understand it, sort of like Einstein's spooky action at a distance, where you have, subatomic particles communicating over vast distances simultaneously, which would seem to imply that some information is being carried over across the universe at greater than the speed of light, which is apparently impossible. This is just one example, but what you're seeing here is not only the wholeness of all things, but you're understanding also how there is a genuine reality and how a weaker reality reflects that. We can also reproduce this in a very convenient way. You can try this at home by signing your signature on a piece of paper. Okay, that's the authentic signature. That's yours. You made it, right? It's original to you. And then putting it on a copy machine or a scanner and reproducing it. Okay, so now you'll have that first copy is going to be an almost perfect representation of the authentic signature, but it's not authentic because it's not yours. It's not the real one. Okay, it's just a copy of it. And if you keep copying the copy, so you take the copy that you made, copy it again, then take the new one, copy that, and then take the new one and copy that. Eventually, you're going to get to a point where it breaks down. Information is lost between copies, and it breaks down to where it's no longer recognizable as the thing that it is. This is kind of what's happening in our universe and what religion is referring to as the fall. Okay? It gets into the archetypal theology of sin and everything, but really what it comes down to is that we're living in an inauthentic reality. In the authentic reality, we are now divorced from. That's the macrocosmos. Microcosmos is us. More next time.